Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to schedule an email to send in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. At the top left corner of your Gmail inbox, click on Compose to start a new email. Step 2. Create your email, adding the necessary recipients, subject, and content. Step 3. At the bottom left, next to the Send button, click on the down arrow to reveal more options. Step 4. From the Options menu, click on Schedule Send. This feature allows you to choose a specific date and time for your email to be sent, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to schedule an email to send in Gmail on your PC. This feature is particularly useful when you want to compose emails in advance and have them automatically sent at a later time. Remember, scheduling emails can help you manage your communication more efficiently and ensure that your messages are delivered at the most appropriate times. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.